All right, this is for an independent client, Mr. Wilson with homepro. Come out today. This is a touch-up order and fix some cabinets that needed to be attended to. First thing we're going to do is go over the glass. So we've marked down all the glass that needs to be inserted. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. We've got all the measurements for those for each cabinet and where they need to go. Next thing is this. Next thing is this piece of backsplash here. So there is a microwave that's going to go above this or below this cabinet, and it is going to be a 10-inch microwave. It is a slimline microwave, and she's going to want to have this cut down because it already sticks out 19 and 3/16 out. So she don't want to add any more depth to it than she has to. She doesn't want to go with a standard microwave because in the future, if they don't want a microwave at all, most hoods are at that same height. They're at that 10 inches high. So we're going to go ahead and cut that to fit we have the dimensions on that microwave. We actually have the paperwork for it. So the handles, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here that we need to put on. Where's the other one? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If these right here are tip-out trays, so 7, 8. 8 handles to put on. She does have the handles here. As far as toe kick and quarter round as bottom moldings, we'll need 3 pieces of toe kick to replace where they didn't add it on here. And then we'll need 5 pieces of quarter round to wrap around in the kitchen. To give you, also to tell you that this color is Oxford Mist. And we did write that down on this paperwork here. As far as that's everything that's in the kitchen. This right here, this is the island. We got the measurements of the slab. The quartz slab is in the garage. And then what she's wanting to do here is she's wanting to make it just a free-floating kind of look top. She wants to put a cleat against here and then 2 legs. And then 2 legs out here, and then table banding all the way across to hold that piece of top up. That top is 62 by 42, so it's 62 inches long, 42 inches wide. So the wall will accept that. The wall we measured was 49 1/8, so we have plenty enough room to center that. All right, moving on to the laundry room. So in the laundry room, she has a double stack washer and dryer. That's an all-in-one. It's not an all-in-one as a single washer and dryer. It's an all-in-one as it's combined washer on the bottom, dryer on top. It's just all one unit. And we got the measurement for that, how tall that stands. Now, this is set at 108 top alignment, but she is getting a standard side-by-side counter depth LG, which is 75 inches tall, or 74 3/8, 74 5/8. So about 75. This right now is at is at 90. From the floor to the bottom of that cabinet is at 90. So we thought about putting a wall 15. Come down 15 inches, and then it's a 36, so that'd be a wall 36-15 by 24 inches deep. See if they make that, and then what we want to do is skin the side of that cabinet with a 1/4 inch skin to make the seam with this and this line up and be flush. This is also part of the laundry room. So with this, this is a 24-inch cabinet, 24-inch wide cabinet. The 27, I'm sorry, the 27-inch wide cabinet. And the inside frame to bottom of that is 20.5, and from inside to inside frame is 23 3/8. So, and then from the top of the cabinet to there is about 7.5. So their drawers on the side are 6 1/4. So that I could just go on there, then put those two doors on there. But we got the measurements for that. We also need a filler on the left side of this cabinet, and then there's a cabinet that goes in the center of this that's over there, and she wants it 3 inches taller than the other two. And then we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 handles in here to put on. Moving on. In here, this is the master bath. Need fillers on either side of this. This is a different color. We've written the color down in there. This will need toe kick and quarter round as well. And then the inside, this is a 21-inch cabinet, and the inside is 17.5 by 20.5. So finding out the doors for that. And then there's 6, 7, 8, 9 handles to put in there. And then coming around here in the spare bathroom here, the doors are here for that. Those will work. And then that needs a filler on the left hand side, and then toe kick and quarter round in here. So I think that's pretty much it. If there's any other questions, give us a call back at 423-650-1051. Thank you.